welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share a product that will be very useful to many of you who are trying to conceive or trying to get pregnant. Today I'll be talking about the Mira Fertility Tracker, which is this product right here. On this channel I share videos centered around motherhood, lifestyle, fashion, pregnancy and a whole lot more. And if that is the kind of content that you love watching, I hope you will stick around. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I've got a few videos about pregnancy that would interest many of you. I've got a how to get pregnant video, how to conceive a boy, how to conceive a girl, what to pack in your hospital bag. I also have a video about newborn essentials. These are the products that you will need when you have a newborn baby. So if you would like to check out those videos, I will leave the links to each of the videos in my description box for you to check out. So this video has been sponsored by Mira, and they've sent me this Mira Fertility Starter Kit, and the starter kit includes 10 test wands. It is sold as a set and it is not sold separately. It is convenient, it is accurate and it is personalized. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks. Okay, it has this band right here which I will take out. So this is the Mira, and you're going to connect it with the app. I have the app downloaded on my phone. So what I'm going to do in this video is to test this out to see how it works, so that I can show you guys how it works. So if you're trying to conceive and you do not know if you can trust the fertility tracking devices out there, you could try out the Mira starter kits. It's always handy to have something like this at home when you're trying to conceive. So the Mira Fertility Wand is designed to detect the level of your human luteinizing hormone in urine when used with the Mira Analyzer. So the test results can be used to identify your ovulation window. Another thing I need to mention is that you need to be sure that you have you need to know your cycle. So you need to know if you have regular cycles or irregular cycles, and the app is going to help you identify this. So if you have regular cycles, make sure you follow the schedule on the Mira app. If you have irregular cycles, your ovulation may start early and or it may even start late because your cycle is irregular. So what you need to do is go on the app and test every day. Test every day, just so that you're sure of when your ovulation starts. I'm going to show you guys how to use this kit to get pregnant fast. So I'm going to pee into this and then test using the wand, but I'm going to show you guys the whole process. And I want to show you guys how easy it is to use the Mira Fertility Tracker, because I love helping someone out there who's trying to conceive. I'm going to show you guys TMI right now, because we have to be real on here, isn't it? We have to be real on here. Right here we have the Mira AI powered hormone tracking, and it will tell you your luteinizing hormone levels. So on here it's saying that this person's luteinizing hormone level is high. Okay, so it says convenient, accurate and personalized. So when you open it, this is what you'll see. You'll find the Get Started with Mira guide, which just has illustrations of how to use the Mira products. So this is the Mira Analyzer, and it has this cute egg shape in this pack. So this is how it looks. So in here you also have a cable for you to charge the device, and you have a user manual. So this is the user manual. You've got the Mira Fertility Wand. So there are just 10 fertility wands for use with the Mira Analyzer. It has the sticker to close the device, but we're going to open it. Over in here you have the user manual as well. in here you've got the sample pots. This one is for your urine, and this one is the test ones. So you've got 10 of these in here. So it has an expiry date. This one is going to expire by April 2021. That is next year. So you've got 10 test ones. So this is 5 right here, and in here we have another extra 5, and that is it in the box. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is to test this out for you guys to see. So this is the Mira app, and I'm going to allow notifications. Right, so this is the app, and I'm just going to set this up real quick. So it says fertility tracking, accurate, personal, connected. I want to get pregnant, so let's try get pregnant. Okay, and when did you start trying to conceive? I'm going to select July of 2020. Okay, so next is about you. You're going to put in your birth year and your average cycle length. Okay, so I'm just going to change this to my birth year, and I'm going to use the 28-day cycle. So yeah, I've got my app on my phone, and I'm going to take one of the test ones and open it up. Then I'm going to take this out. This is how it looks. Okay, so this cap is going to be used to close this part after taking the test sample. I need to dip this into the urine for 10 seconds. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's approximately 10 seconds. And I'm just going to close this. It said I should wait for 10 to 20 minutes. So right now I've got 14 minutes more to check. So I'm just going to wait for the timer to count down, and I'll get back to you. So right now it's saying that my LH is none. So it means a minimum level of LH is in my urine and little chance of ovulation at the time of measuring. This result is expected to happen on the days outside of the fertile window. So right now I am not in my fertile window, and that is why I have gotten the LH none indication right here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about this product, and I will keep on using it. I'm going to check it out again after my period, just to make sure that I know when I can be able to track my ovulation, with this. Yeah, so yeah, if you're trying to conceive, this is just a very good product for you to try out. It will tell you your ovulation window, the best time for you to have intercourse, so that you can have a higher chance of conceiving a baby or of getting pregnant. So this is a very good one. It is called the Mira Fertility Tracker, and you can use my discount code, which I will leave in the description box down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly, and I would love to have you as part of my viewers. So yeah, till next time, bye.